How to show password of currently connected Wi-Fi network on Windows PC. If you forgot your Wi-Fi network password, you can find it if you have another Windows PC already connected to your Wi-Fi network. After you find your password, you can use it on another PC or mobile phone to connect to your Wi-Fi network. On a Windows PC that's connected to your Wi-Fi network, do one of the following. Method 1. View saved Wi-Fi passwords via Windows Settings. On Windows 11, open Settings, select Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings. Under the related settings, select More Network Adapter options. On Windows 10, under the settings, go to Network and Internet, then click Status, then go to Network and Sharing Center. Here in the Network Connections shows currently connected Wi-Fi network. Double-click to open, then select Wireless Properties. In Wireless Network Properties, select the Security tab, then click the Show Characters checkbox. Now the Wi-Fi network password is displayed in the Network Security key box. Method 2. Finding Wi-Fi passwords via command line. For those of you who are comfortable with computers, you can also use the command line tool built into Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7 to quickly find saved Wi-Fi passwords. It is very convenient, as you do not have to download any extra software and just run a single command. Here's how to do it. Search and open Command Prompt app on your PC by typing CMD. Then right-click and hit Run as Administrator. Then type this command, netshwlan show profile. This will show you a list of networks you've connected to in the past. Find the network that you need the password for. Once you find it, type in the following, netshwlan show profile followed by your Wi-Fi name with the key equals clear, then hit enter to display the Wi-Fi details. This covers how to show password of currently connected Wi-Fi network on Windows PC. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.